So my name's Simon, I'm the Transport Planning Manager at Salvo 1968. So we're an Italian food wholesaler and we distribute food throughout the country to restaurants, to pizza takeaways, to cafes and to residential properties. So what sets us apart from other Italian distributors are our high quality pizza products, including our ranges of cheeses, ranges of flours and tomatoes. So we have a fleet of 28 vehicles. We have a depot here in Cheshunt, we have a depot in Ringmer, close to Brighton, and we also have a depot up in Manchester. We cover the whole of the country, from Manchester to Brighton, from Norwich to Bristol. We deliver ambient, chilled and frozen goods. We cover probably around 200 to 300 deliveries per day, and that's 6 days a week. So Podfather is a great tool. It helps us route all of our deliveries every day. My drivers will go out every morning and complete all their safety checks, all the vehicle checks within the vehicle. Any defects that are brought up are sent straight to my email. The tracking system used for the Podfather handhelds is brilliant. It will keep me up to date where all the vehicles are at any time during the day. I'm able to run reports which will tell me any problems of any vehicles, any problems of any products, or any problems of any deliveries. So the drivers are able to use Podfather very simply. They're able to check the routes, they're able to link it to Google Maps so they can actually get the sat-nav working as well at the same time. When they take the pictures are instantly sent to us. So if they do have an issue where they're worried about something may have been left behind which shouldn't have been, we're able to tell them straight away. So the best thing about Podfather for us is the instantaneous delivery notes. We can check pictures, we can check items, we can check if there's anything wrong as soon as the driver's completed the delivery. I would definitely recommend the Podfather system. It's a great tool to have for any business. It instantly tells you any information that you need, any issues that you have, and you can keep on top of all of your deliveries instantly and live.